The joy of learning the Kadenze way is a direct response to the crisis in education today. In it, Kadenze speaks back to the shambles caused by COVID, student disengagement, and the rise of continuous partial attention in classrooms, work intensification for teachers, the challenges of remote, online and blended learning, and the millions of teachers who are exiting the profession right now. The joy of learning the Kadenze way is a breakthrough course, building a coherent pedagogy of creativity for learners of all ages and across all disciplines. It does this by attending to each learner's creative capacities, imaginative experimentation, curiosity, and embodied intelligences. It's not simply that we need to do learning design better. We need to rethink learning design completely. And this course will give you the tools to do that well. This course is built around a document which captures the spirit and the operation of our educational innovation, documented in our technology-enabled creative learning framework called TECL. TECL captures all the moving parts required to build learning which is joyful, and you can download it from the resources section. All up, there are 5 instructors contributing to this course. It is a global team passionate about creativity and arts-led learning and able to draw on wide and diverse international experiences. As the leading platform for online learning dedicated to the arts, design and creative education, Kadenze is known for its arts-led approach to course design. We have created over 3,000 hours of content, and our authors have created hundreds of courses with us. An ongoing and abiding attention to creativity in learning design is the Kadenze way. And from it, learning becomes more engaging, more relevant, more playful, and ultimately more joyful.